Top 10. Best paddleboards for racing. Take it out for some longer trips or maybe even try your hand at racing these boards through the open water. Number 10. Driftsun Racing 11 8" Touring SUP. Board will work well for racing and also for touring. When this board was constructed, speed and efficiency were always in mind. The pointed hull helps the board to cut through the water with minimal drag, and the Textured EVA traction pad keeps your feet in place for long periods of time. Textured EVA. Fast. Multi-use. Number 9. Tower Inflatable 9'10" stand. Touring or for racing. The board was originally designed with racing in mind, but the board is so well constructed that it is great for touring too. The paddleboard is a great length for hitting and maintaining high speeds, but still small enough to be maneuverable in the water. The length of the board makes it great, high capacity. Tough. Fast. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best paddleboards for racing or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. 10 Toes iSUP Inflatable Touring SUP. This is a great paddleboard for an adventurer. The paddleboard is fast enough to be used in races, but also comfortable enough to be used as a touring paddleboard. The board is maneuverable enough to give you that edge when you are in a race, but durable and stable enough to keep you on your feet as you tour mountain lakes and rivers. Fast. Comfortable. Compact. Number 7. Big Sport SUP Air Inflatable Stand. Paddleboarders. The board is 6 thick, giving it great stability and durability. The drop stitching and durable materials make this a board which will last. It also makes the board rigid, which makes it easier to carry and move around in the water. We like that the board is easy to deflate and store. Great for beginners. Lightweight. Stable. Number 6. Airtech Inflatable 10 feet 6 inches, front and the back. This is a great paddleboard for touring. You can load the paddleboards up with a lot of your accessories and spend the whole day out on the water. You can also pack your camping equipment and spend a few days on and around the water. The D-rings add some extra storage capability. Lots of storage. Accessories. Durable. Number 5. Z-Ray 12 feet 6 inches Racing SUP Stand. Worth having. There is a large fin on the rear to give you great maximum speed and control. The fin is also removable. There is an included air pump, and you can attach the pump to your paddleboard easily. This gives you rapid inflation and a high PSI. Heavy duty. Removable fin. Fast enough for straight races. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best paddleboards for racing or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Race Competitive Paddleboard, is sleek and thin. The shape of the board, with a pointed nose, make it great for speed. You can cut through the water with less resistance than more rounded boards. We also like the design on the board. This looks like a board which has been built for racing. The bungee cords offer some storage. High speed. Maneuverable. Rigid and tough. Number 3. Raven Inflatable Paddleboard. The diamond groove traction pad and the tail kick make this one of the most maneuverable boards on the market. By kicking back with your foot and using your paddle, you can turn sharply and get going in another direction with speed and precision. The shape of the hull has been designed to get you up to top speed quickly. High quality. Great control. Bungee storage. Number 2. Globetrotter Paddleboard. This is great for paddleboard touring. With less resistance in the water, you can go further through the water with less energy. When you are touring on a paddleboard, you want to go as far as possible in a day. The less energy you need to spend, the further you can go, and the more you can enjoy the experience. Compact. Rigid. Hydrodynamic. Number 1. Vilano Navigator 10, Extra Editions, which make this a board worth having. There is a large fin on the rear to give you great maximum speed and control. The fin is also removable. There is an included air pump, and you can attach the pump to your paddleboard easily. This gives you rapid inflation and a high PSI. Heavy duty. Large storage area. Removable fin. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best paddleboards for racing or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.